Do you know that you can invest minimum of $100 in a crypto space without any risk? I mean zero risk. And you'll be making profits like $11, $15, $20, even up to $30 from that of your $100 almost every day. Would you like to learn this? If yes, what you need to do is just to watch this video from the beginning to the end. But before I show you, make sure that you subscribe to this channel right now and click on the notification bell so that whenever I dish out a content like this, you will get notification from YouTube that Adeyemi Oluwaseun just drop another video on his channel. I'll be right back. Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun from Online Hustle Pro is here. Okay, so on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money from Launchpad crypto business. Okay, I have made this video before. Don't people take action and they make money from it up to now? All right, I've made that video since last year, 2020. Okay, so now guys, what you need to do right now is just to go to this to the description of this video. You see this link there. Okay, so just that is the first link. Copy it, browse on it, so and register. Once you register, do your KYC. Okay, so after you register, make sure that you verify your phone number, verify your email address, and make sure that you verify level 1. Level 1, just put your personal information. That is on level 1 verification. You just enter your personal information like phone number, email address, and verify them. Once you do that, you'll be verified for level 1. Then for level 2, because what you want to do is if you do not verify your level 2, you won't be able to make money from that aspect, and it's 100% no risk. Okay, so it is very worth doing. Now guys, you just need to submit your government ID and do your facial verification. After you have done that, you are good to go. All right, so now guys, the next thing they're going to do is just to come to the asset here. Okay, so just click on the asset. When you get to the asset, make sure that you click on deposit, because you need at least $100 before you be able to participate in this opportunity and make money for yourself. After you have done that, you just look for USDT, and if you don't see it there, all you need to do is just to type in USDT. That is theta, right? So once you see that, you're gonna see maybe TRC20, maybe BP20. Okay, just make sure that you send money from, maybe you want to send from Binance. Make sure that you do not make mistake about the network that you're going to send through. So okay, so if you send through if you are sending from Binance with TRC20 wallet, Binance is going to charge you just $1, right? So then if you are sending with BEP20, you will charge less than $1. Okay, so just send minimum of $100 to this platform. Once you have done that and you have your $100 right on this platform, then go back to you can install the app. Okay, this is the app that I'm using right here. Okay, so once you install the app, okay, and log in with the information that you submitted when you are doing the registration, what you need to do is just to go to the home page, and you're going to see Launchpad. As you can see, Launchpad here. So what you need to do is just to click on that Launchpad. Okay, so Launchpad means when they just want to list a new coins on the platform like this, and they will give you some percentage, okay, that discount when you to buy. Okay, so but you must have though they will tell you what you must have. For example, now this is the ongoing the one that is the new one that is coming, right? Okay, so this one has gone, this one has been completed. Okay, so now let me just click on the one that was completed. Okay, so this one has been completed, right? So as you can see right here that it was they required 99.9967 USDT to participate on this Launchpad. Okay, so once you have that your money and in your balance, okay, and you just need to participate on the Launchpad. So if you are successful, they will just give you the coin. They will remove 99.999 from your balance and give you the coin of 6,300 49. That was how this one was done. And as you can see that I actually participated on this one. As you can see, the congratulations, the participation of one is successful. And when you click on the history, you're going to see that this account on the 21st, okay, you can see success. Okay, so they deducted 999.99 from my account and they give me 6,349 area token. Okay, so immediately they give it to you, then you can then go and change it back to USDT and now discover that you're going to make some profit. So let's just go to the history of my trading where I change it immediately to USDT. Okay, all right, so I'm going to come to trade here. So when I click on trade, I'm going to click on HOR. Let me click on HOR. Then I'm going to click on trade history. So as you can see, this is area/USDT. You remember that I have 6,349. So when I change that 6,349 to USDT, it was $111 right here. At times it will go to like 124, like 130, it depends. Okay, and it's because I sold early. That is why I got. Some people will make more than this. All right, so but because I personally, when I want to change my loan, immediately launch that market is tradable on the platform like this, I will quickly sell it. It will increase in price. Okay, it will immediately increase in price, and so no matter what, you're gonna make money, and there is nothing like risk on this platform. Now what you're gonna do is to participate. For example, let me go back to the Launchpad. So once you have your 100 USDT on the platform, then you can see like this current one right now. So if you click on it, that is a recruit token. Okay, so it will show you when it will start. They will start the participation. They are still under a qualification period, and once the qualification period ends, then we will start the participation. So it's very actually simple, guys. So now I think we have about 15 minutes to start to end this qualification period, but the participation period, and I'm actually doing this video because I want you to participate and make some money from this platform. Okay, so you can see the participation period is starting by 27, which is tomorrow. Okay, and next tomorrow is the participation, and the announcement is still next tomorrow. Okay, and distribution. Okay, so okay, all right, it's better to watch this video now and take action. Right, so now guys, now what you need to do to participate here is 100 USDT. You can see you need 100 USDT, and you are going to get, if you are successful, if you are among those who you get this token, they will remove 100 USDT from your balance and give you 1,250 recruit token. But if you are not successful, they will not charge your money at all. You can see that there is no risk at all on this platform. And in a month, they have a lot of Launchpad on this platform in a month. Though not only on this, but I actually love Bitmart about this Launchpad trading. Okay, guys. So now you can see one recruit is going to 0.08. Imagine immediately they launch, it go to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Depends. I cannot say this is how much is going to. They are going to launch it, but trust me, guys, it is 100% you're going to make a lot of profit from this token as well. So what you need to do is just to have your money. Once the participation period starts, you're going to see participate. All you need to do is just to click on that participate, then they will freeze your 100 USDT. It will be inside your account, but you won't be able to send it or withdraw it until the participation period ends. Okay, so once it ends, then if you are one of those, if you are successful, if your participation is successful, then what you need to, they will give you that token and remove that 100 USDT. And once they launch the market, all you need to do is just to go and change it to USDT and make profit for yourself. Okay, so that is how this stuff actually works. Okay, guys, this is what quick information that I actually have for you right here today. And imagine if you have just $100 on this Bitmart and do transaction of this Launchpad, maybe at least in a week. They do have like 2 or 3 times in a week. Okay, and as you can see, let's just go down. that they have done a lot of Launchpad completed, and people are actually, I think my phone is not loading again. So, and people are actually banking a lot of money from this Launchpad trading, guys. So quickly take action if you don't know anything, and if we actually need a guide from me, it's actually free. What you need to do is just to go to the description below. You're going to see my Telegram group there. Join the Telegram group. Via that Telegram group, you can actually send me message privately. I actually closed that Telegram group because of those who used to, promote scam product or services there. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys right here today. New on this channel, kindly click on the subscription button right now and the notification bell, so that whenever I dish out quality information like this, you get a notification from YouTube that Adeyemi Oluwaseun just drop another content on this channel. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.